Is your Peugeot 5008's alarm constantly going off? The most frequent culprits are the bonnet switch, interior sensor, and key fob. First, inspect the bonnet switch for corrosion, misalignment, or loose wiring. Clean the contacts and apply dielectric grease. Next, check the interior sensor's sensitivity settings via the vehicle's menu. Adjust it if it's overly sensitive and ensure no objects are moving inside the car. Finally, replace the key fob battery and try reprogramming it using a diagnostic tool if necessary, as the code may desync after a battery change. Cycling the ignition and holding the lock-unlock buttons can sometimes reset the alarm system too. Remember to check your car's manual for specific steps and actions that can be taken. For advanced troubleshooting, when basic fixes fail, use an OBD2 scanner to diagnose error codes in the alarm system. For ongoing problems in humid areas, replace the bonnet switch with an authentic Peugeot component to prevent compatibility issues. Monitor for software updates through your dealership or over the air for recent models, which provide recalibrations to minimize false triggers. Future Peugeot models will feature AI diagnostics and solid-state sensors, greatly decreasing false alarm occurrences. Meanwhile, engage with online forums such as Peugeot forums for user-generated DIY tips and solutions. Finally, visit the Peugeot site to verify any recalls for your model year.